Hello, welcome to today's class. Right, sit upright. Hip walk forward to the front of your chair. Make sure your chair is nice and stable. Feet hip width apart, toes pointing forward, solidly on the chair. Just start with sunrise circles. So just opening up through the chest. Keep the arms about head height. Let's start with toe taps. Just lifting and lowering the toes. Okay, let's change that. Alternate heel raises. So here, lift the heel and lower. Just lift and lower. If you want to let the arms swing as well, you can. Whatever's comfortable for you. Single toes forward, so you're pointing forward and back. Tap, tap, tap. Forward and back. Forward and back, just tapping that toe forward. Open up into sunrise circles again. Sitting tall, think of lifting the chest, retracting the chin. Legs out to the side this time. So out, right and back, left and back, right and back, left and back. So this is our warm-up exercise. I need you to hip walk forward in your chair. Think of your posture. Pull your tummy in, shoulders back, chin retracted. Start rugging the shoulders. Change to the feet. Let's touch the toes out in front. Just a little movement for now. We're still warming up. Shoulders, we're going to circle them back, circle. So as you circle back, squeeze those shoulder blades together. It doesn't have to be in time with the music. Coming to your right foot, we're going to heel and turn, heel and turn. 3, 2, 1, and change sides. Heel and turn. Alternating shoulder shrugs and other side. So a little lean over. Toe taps. Twist from the waist. Doesn't have to be very big. Lifting the heels, alternate right and left. Right, okay. Two heels together. Take the feet to do that too, out and in, and around. So the next exercise is a scarf routine, holding your scarf in the middle if it's long, so that you've got a little bit of movement. In your right hand, we're going to start with toe taps. Just tapping the toes, just lifting and lowering the toes, in time with the music if you can. Keep the movement smaller if you need to. Sitting tall, forward on your chair so that you've got the movement. Let's start with an infinity sign, figure of 8 on the side. If you can make it nice and big and move the body, great. If not, just do what you can. Okay, left leg comes out in front and sliding the other hand the opposite way if you can. Don't worry if you've not got it the same way. It really doesn't matter, just getting the movement. If you're happy, have both arms going. Let's take it to a comb the hair. So those that aren't happy with this, if it's too much for your shoulders, just take it to a nice up and down with the hand. Take it across the other hand, circling, or figure of 8. Forward and back. So as your right foot is forward, scarf's in the left hand. Don't worry if you're the opposite way round, it's not the end of the world as long as you do both sides. Just comb that hair or do your little mini bicep curl. And in a moment we're going to go to round the houses. Those that can't take it behind, just take it in front again. So forward, side, behind if you can, if not take it in front. Keep it slower if it's too much. It doesn't have to be in time with the music. Change direction. Well done. If you can't quite get it, make up your own thing. As long as it doesn't hurt, you're moving, which is the important thing. If you keep the toes tapping, great. Let's just throw that scarf and catch. Throw the scarf and catch. Throw the scarf and catch. Take it back into your right hand. Finishing off. Follow it with your eyes, change hands. That head moving. If it feels uncomfortable or you feel dizzy, then leave that bit out, that's fine. Last few, just throw it and catch. Well done. So there's no equipment at all for this routine, it's a clapping routine. Sitting forward on your chair, so hip walk forward, feet pointing forward, chin retracted. Start with a toe tap, hands on the thighs. You can do a single tap, clap, so clap and twist, clap and twist. Make it as big or as small as you're comfortable with. If you want to keep it small, that's fine. Double clap at the top. Singles. Doubles again. Single feet out in front, so tapping those toes forward, push the waves. If you want to do that slower, that's fine too. Okay, let's take the arms both sides, one foot out and down, up. Take the arms all width, shoulder height, that's great. Keep it that speed, or take it faster. Try and make sure you're lifting the knee out to the side though. It's the whole knee that's moving, the foot just comes along with it. Beautiful, well done. If it's too much, you just keep it small. Just lose the arms or lose the legs if you wish. Tap. And twist, back. double. This is an equipmentless routine. It's a cha-cha-cha type movement. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Just lifting the heels. Sitting forward on your chair. Just get that movement first. Add the arms at the same time. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Taking 1 foot forward, forward, back. Add the opposite arm if you can, whichever arm feels good though. And again, opposite arm. Those heels going. 3, 2, 1 movement. Doing a little bit of work in the thighs. Take the leg out to the side, out, lift the leg this time. Almost a little kick in front or a knee lift. If that's too much for you, just slide the foot forward again like we did before. Turn so you can see. Out to the side. Roll. Make sure you're taking that knee out, not just the foot. Try and keep the feet and arms going in time. 1, 2, 3. Other way again. Front. So you can kick or just slide the foot forward. If you want to, you can stay seated for this cool down workout. If you do, ignore the instructions for the feet. Exactly the same with the upper body. Taking the feet wider if you're standing. Just take it a little bit, rocking side to side, just tipping onto the toe. I'm going to circle the shoulders back. Just take it at a speed that's comfortable for you. I'm going quite fast, make it slower if you wish. Let's take it now to holding a ball. We're going to take that round. Bringing the feet in now. Go the other way. Keeping this low now, try and keep it below your nose. And we're going to open out into a chest stretch. So feet are comfortable, but ideally your feet pointing forwards. Watch you're not letting your toes point out to the corner of the walls. Let's take it on a diagonal, feeling that stretch. Try and avoid lifting your chest as you do this, opening out on the other direction. Keeping a breath, deep breath out. Okay, we're going to take, palms are coming up. Okay, stay facing me. just turn so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Again, try not to take the hand above the height of the head. And really concentrate on your breathing here. Think about your posture, pull the belly button back towards the spine. Now, let's take clouds. Imagine clouds going across the sky about forehead height. Or are you wiping your brow because the workout's been too hard today? I hope not. Should have been a gentle workout, but remember, always do your workouts at your level. If it's too much, make the moves smaller. Let's add. We're going to push leaves, so the clouds are going across and we're pushing the leaves. If you find that too much, just stay with the clouds. Think about your posture. Be aware of how you're standing. Okay, let's take the arms in, circling in, and the other way. Keeping the hands low. So just taking the weight slightly from one foot to the other. You might want to take the feet a little bit wider for this. I'm lifting one heel and then the other off the floor as I move. Do what feels comfortable for you. So take a deep breath in and out. Those feet are still pointing forward, engaging the abdominals, so pulling that belly button back against the spine. Circles back, pull those shoulder blades together, breathing in, breathing out. That's all for this week. I look forward to seeing you in the class next week.